mind your way?
No, I just moved.
How about that? Yeah, I'm sorry. I was just so upset.
Oh, I got your stuff on the table here.
Want me to move it?
No.
My, I'm gonna move all my stuff. My, wireless isn't working. It's so annoying.
All rise for the Honorable Judge Julius.
Thank you very much. Y'all take your seat. My name is Judge Julian. I'm presiding today over the bond court for the city of Florence. So what I have today is a very limited purpose. I understand that we're here and this is a little different than what we normally do. You'll see some news crews in here. I'm not normally here, but they're here today to record what's going on. And I'm here to inform you of your constitutional rights. I'm also here to inform you of your court appearances that you have upcoming, and also for the charges that you've been charged with today. So first, I want to inform you of your constitutional rights. You do have the right to remain silent. You do not have to say anything today. And if you do, it is being recorded, and it can be used against you at a later time. I want you to understand that. You already have an attorney that you've already had a chance to speak with, so you have that right to have your representation here with you today. And your attorney can speak for you. If you do choose to speak, just keep it in mind that can be used against you today, and can be used against you at a later time. You have the right to a jury trial or a bench trial. There can be explained in more detail by your attorney, but basically you can be tried by a judge sitting as a trier of fact on the bench, or you can be tried by a jury of your peers. You have the right to either one, whatever you so choose. These charges you've been charged with are triable in the Court of General Sessions. That means that is our circuit court level criminal court, and so that will be that means you're going to have two different court appearances upcoming, and I'll explain those to you later. But it also means that you have the right to request a preliminary hearing, and if you do choose to request that preliminary hearing, you have 10 days today's date to go and schedule that with the solicitor's office, and I'll give you more information about that later. The purpose of that hearing is to bring the state and hold them accountable to show that there was probable cause for your arrest, and if there's probable cause found, then they can take that and present that indictment to the grand jury. So you got that. I'll explain more about the time frame in which you have to do so. You also have the right to stop answering any questions. I don't typically ask them any questions in bond hearings. I've got a lot of information in front of me, so I don't typically bring that up. The court appearances that I'm going to inform you of, if you fail to appear at those court appearances, they will put out a bench warrant for your arrest, and you will likely remain incarcerated here in Effingham until your court date. So it's important that you coordinate with your attorney and you show up at these court appearances I'm going to mention to you. You understand these constitutional rights?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. McLean. Please stand. Ms. McLean, I reviewed your public defender screening form. I knew that you were already represented by counsel. So I have disqualified you for the service as a public defender. Ma'am, you're charged with, ownership of a dangerous animal. And that's under statute 473710. It's my understanding that the possession of this animal resulted in the death of a citizen here in Florence County, within the city of Florence, city limits. Because of that, this is triable in the Court of General Sessions, as I previously explained. Your initial court appearance in General Sessions is October 2nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right, and then that is at 181 North Irby Street in Florence. And that's the newer courthouse here in Florence, across the street from the old one. All right. Your second court appearance is going to be called your docket appearance. That is November 27th at 9 a.m. I've also signed your right to preliminary hearing. You can take that, or your attorney can take that and deliver that to the solicitor's office, which is at 180 North Irby Street in the city of Florence. Okay? You can go down there and submit that within 10 days, not business days, 10 days. Do you have any questions or anything, ma'am?
No, sir.
I'd like to hear from your counsel.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you. May it please the court. Ms. McLean is 30 years old. She's been a resident of South Carolina for about 5 years now. She is the National Account Manager with Storage Solutions. She has no prior record. We understand the gravity of the situation, the seriousness of the situation, but with the facts considered today, she turned herself in. She's been very cooperative with us in our office. We're asking for a PR bond so she can be released and work one-on-one with our office to work through this situation, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you. Ma'am, is there anything that you wish to say before I set your bond?
No, sir.
You know, the law hasn't really caught up with what's going on in these dangerous dog cases, and you know, the worst case scenario happened here, and this lady is now gone, and her family is in fact grieving at her funeral right now. So it's an extremely tragic event, but I think what concerns me most, I know that you have no record, and you have I don't consider you a flight risk. However, I believe what I read in the report is that there's 2 other dogs at the house. I don't know what kind of dogs those are, and I'm not asking, I'm not interested in that today, but in the fact that there have been previous reports of this dog being a dangerous dog.
Your Honor, I will say there is no other dogs in the house.
There are not 2 other dogs,
There are no.
and I understand that. So I must have misread something in a report, or maybe that was misstated in a report. However, with the severity of this, and with the consequences that go into this, and the fact that this woman is now gone, I'm not inclined to issue a personal recognizance bond. And set your bond in the amount of $15,000 surety. You have a seat, and you're going to be Conroy. Sir, you have likewise been charged of ownership of a dangerous animal. This resulted in the, not just injury, but the death of this woman. Therefore, you also have the right to that preliminary hearing, as this is a general sessions offense. You have 10 days from today's date to go down there and request that hearing at 180 North Irby Street in the office of the solicitor. You also have the two same court dates, October 2nd, 2024 at 9 a.m. and November 27th, 2024 at 9 a.m. And that is at 181 North Irby Street, that's across the street from the office of the solicitor. Happy to hear from you, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Your Honor. May it please the court. Mr. Conroy is 40 years old. He grew up here in South Carolina. He works as an independent contractor, as an electrician. Again, as already mentioned, we understand the gravity and the seriousness of the offense. We're just, again, asking for a PR and low surety bond today.
Anything you wish to say to the court before set your bond, sir?
No, sir.
You set your bond in the amount of $15,000 surety.
touch.
Thank y'all.
We appreciate it.
Yes, ma'am.